Suite 29028. And this is the main entrance of our suite. There. So, pagpasok mo, you have a small foyer with a mirror. And actually, on your right, you have the boudoir, or the dressing area. We'll go first. You can see that. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
You go to the boudoir. You have a dressing area. They have an enclosed water closet. Wallpapered. Nice. All mirrors. As you can see, the use of mirrors really make it look so grand. Beveled on the sides, complementing all the shapes and the moldings that they're in. And then we have a tub that we actually tried last night. Okay. And then close shower area. His and hers.
Hoy! Mali ka ng room number.
I'm sorry. Hindi ba sa akin to? Oh my God. Just kidding. Maybe joke.
Seryoso sa kunin yung yung radio.
How do you turn on the light? How do you turn on the light? Oh, there's an effect there. You see it? And then the room. Oh, meron pa silang cove lighting sa taas.
Yun silang cove lighting?
Yeah, the cove lighting sa armoire. This is an armoire. They have their own television fronting the two beds. Queen size bed with a canopy and a cove lighted canopy for more enticing kinky effect.
Kinky effect.
And that's what we have. It's nice here. Yes, moldings, panelings on the walls, LED.
Malamig yan. Malamig? Sobra.
And then going down, merong living area. See. You have a living and a small dining and a working area. And they have a low console, which also houses the television.
Di ba yung Ariola? Di ba yung Ariola yun? Humongous.
Which is so nice.
Humongous Ariola.
What the fuck?
Parang maganda yung Ariola mo. Yung nipples mo, di ba?
But that's so nice!
Tapos nag-wave pa sa'yo.
Where there is?
Good morning! Good morning!